Now, ladies and gentlemen, here is a different story here, guys. I tell you what. A 1979 Chevy Scottsdale square body 4x4, 350. Look at the tires on there, guys. Look at the tires on there. Clean Ohio title. A clean Ohio title. Four-wheel drive. I tell you what. If you are a Generation Xer and you watch Red Dawn as a kid as they drove across the field and peed in the radiator, that was the truck you want. All right, how many guys and how many dollars on to give us in here, guys, and how many dollars on to give it that one? Somebody get five. Somebody get $10,000 on it. Somebody get $10,000 on it. Somebody get five. Get $5,000 on the truck. Somebody get $5,000 on it. Get $2,000 on the internet. Somebody get three. Get $3,000 on it now forward. Somebody get $4,000 on it now five. Somebody get $5,000. Somebody get $5,000 on it. Get $5,000 on it now $6,000. Somebody get $6,000 on it. Get $6,000 on it now. Somebody get 55. I didn't think of it. 6,000 now 5. 6,500 now 7. Somebody get $7,000 on it. Get $7,000 somebody get $7,000 on it. Get $7,000. Get $7,000 on it. Somebody get $7,000 on it. Somebody get $7,000 on it now 5. Get $7,500 on it. Get $7,500 on it now. Somebody get $7,500. 75 now 8,000. $8,000 on it. Get $8,000 on it now 5. $8,500 on it. Get $8,500 on it now. Somebody get 55 now 9. Get $9,000 on it. Somebody get $9,000. Somebody get $9,000. Get $9,000. Somebody get $9,000. Somebody $9,000 on it, $85 on it, $9 there, now 5. Get $9,500 on it, get $9,500 on it, somebody get $9,500 on it, get $95 now 10. Get $10,000 on it, somebody get $10,000, somebody get $10,000 on it, somebody get 10 grand. Get $10,000 on it, somebody get $10,000, somebody get $10,000 on it, somebody get 10,000. Get $10,000, somebody get $10,000, somebody get $10,000 on it, somebody get 10,000. Get $10,000, somebody get $10,000 on it. You won't forget what you paid, I promise. Give 10 grand even money. Give 10 grand. Give 10 grand. 10,000, yes or no? Get $10,000 on it, get $10,000, somebody get $10,000 on it. How about 97.50 one time? 97.50. 97.50, yes or no? 97.50. 97.50, we get $9,750 on it, get 97.50, we get 97.50 once. Somebody get 97.50 twice, you all throw it done. Somebody get 97.50. Sold the truck for $9,500. Bidder number 119's the buyer, bidder number 119's the buyer.